Okay, today is Silver Day again. I was going to wait until I got all of these, but I was having a little bit of a problem doing that. I can't wait. So, I've got 4. These I'm ordering from JM Bullion. So, what's happening is, lately, JM Bullion has been out of most of what I want. Hence this poop here. So, I'm going to have to keep these straight because they're on the papers. It's got the receipt and everything, so I know what I paid for each one. This one was sort of disappointing. In a way, it's not as, I don't think it is anyway. I don't think the colors aren't as vibrant as it looked like on the website. It looks pretty good on camera here, so maybe that's why they look better on their website pictures. But the blue on the wings and stuff is really dark unless you've got it against, you know, the bright lights of the camera lights and stuff. The backs of them all look like this. It's the Amy Brown collection. .5-ounce coins. I bought the 5-ounce versions of it because I wanted the pictures to be as big as I could get them. Pretty much. So let's check something real quick here. Okay, ounce Troy. Well, 5 point, and I'm not even on the camera. Hold on. Here, let's do this. Okay, 5.02 for this one. I doubt very seriously that that little bit of enamel on here is a 0.2, so I'm thinking that may be 0.2 silver. Here's something the other series doesn't have. It's numbered. And you get the matching number. It says 251 of 500. This is second cousins. So these should match. Let me put it back up before I mess it up. It's not deep in the metal like the other coins are, but it is nice, a very nice relief. It does have very fine detail in it. Let's try the next one. Well, this one's only 5.01. This has more enamel on it, so that pretty much cuts out that enamel part. Why is that so bright? Okay, there we go. So 5.01. If I can get it without it reflecting. So 186. Let's see if we're right. Yep, 186 of 500. Is that in focus? And this one is called Discovery. So you didn't get quite as much extra metal on this one, but that's alright. You still get more than the 5 ounces. Or at least the 5 ounces. Beautiful artwork on this. And the colors are very vibrant on this one as well. These little bags that I'm keeping them in, they came in these. I'm just keeping them in there. They're good and thick, at least like a 4 mil, 5 mil, maybe even a 6. Okay, so this one's next. I'll do it next. Appears to be the same basic backing on all of them. Uh-oh, I waited too long. And this one's 501 with almost all of the front of it enameled. And just so you know, this coin does actually look this beautiful in real life. This is so far the most beautiful one. Very vibrant, very beautiful colors on it. Is that 140? Yes. Haunted Pumpkin Patch. 140 of 500. Very good work. Again, this side is actually deeper as far as minted. The surface relief is deeper on this side than this one. But the detail in the printing and stuff makes for a really beautiful coin. Or I guess in a really beautiful round. I'm not sure if I like where it has the ridges and then it gets smooth for the serial number. I'm thinking maybe they should have kept the ridges all the way and just punched that into the ridges, but would that, like any number with straight lines, would not have shown, would it? So I guess you could not do that. But very pretty coins though. Very pretty rounds. And this fourth one I ordered after JM Bullion let me down with canceling my order. Things happen, I get that. And we're back to 502. Now, on the camera this looks a little more bright than it really is. It's a little lighter. The actual coin, the greens are darker. You have to view them in the light better. But the color is realistic. It is very beautiful colors. Very nicely done. And let's mess it up. Let's break the scale. Okay, still 502. And the back is still the same. Is that saying 305? 303, 308? What is that saying? 303. How's that? And it matches here, 303, high to 500. This one's called Lady of the Forest. Very pretty. I will collect another one or two if I don't tear them up and do another video. This is the only 4 that I have right now. But again, JM Bullion still my go-to place, even though they canceled my order and let me down. I'm all disappointed. And I will let that go. Oh, and I don't think I paid the same price for any 2 of these. If I'm right, each time I've ordered, they've been a different price. So they're around $150 each. So you're paying a premium for 5 ounces of silver. And you're paying a premium to get that enameled finish for the limited edition, for all that good junk. I'm not investing in them in hopes that they go up in value. I bought them because I thought they were very beautiful coins, beautiful rounds. I thought they were pretty. But that is 20 ounces of silver. If the fecal matter hits the fan and the price of silver soars, I will sell that in a heartbeat, and I tell you what. But anyway, the thing is, I just wanted them because they're pretty to collect. So let me know what you think. Are these stupid to buy? Would you buy these? What do you buy? Oh, I had to pay tax on these as well. Now they're not considered money like the Sunshine Mint 1 ounce coins, the 1 ounce silver rounds. You don't have to pay taxes on those, I don't think. But these aren't in the same category. These are something different. And now they're making you pay tax on it, which blows monkey butt chunks. So just remember, this poop you got to pay tax on, and the investment silver, the other kind of silver, you don't. Or at least not yet anyway. So leave me a comment, questions. Let me know what you think. Should I quit buying this stuff and pay off debt? That's $300, $600 worth of stuff. Which of course, those 4 could have paid any one of these top 3 off. Half of this one, or almost half of this one, 2/3 of this one. I don't know, maybe that's the wrong approach. Maybe I should have put it toward the bills instead. Bought silver later. What do you think? Maybe I should quit worrying about savings, because I consider this my savings. And this, unlike money in the bank, this will grow in value. At the very least, this will not go to 0. So, I don't know. Should I quit? Let me know your thoughts. Should I quit saving anything at all? I mean, you could use this for an emergency fund. It would take 7 to 10 days to call Provident, JM Bullion, SD Bullion, Amex, everybody that if I left you out, I'm so sorry. But I would call around to everybody that buys this poop here and see what they're willing to pay for this exact stuff. And whoever's willing to offer the most amount, I would send it to them in an emergency to get the money. But by having it this way, every little thing is not an emergency. So if you have to take a little bit of time to get the money, then you may not buy something on a whim. I don't know. So I like this kind of savings better than money in an account somewhere that you're one ATM card withdrawal away from spending your savings. Does that make sense? Let me know what you think in the comments. Any questions in the comments? If you think I did a good thing, leave me a thumbs up. If you think I did a bad thing, also leave me a thumbs up. Or a thumbs down. Or both. And I will see you in the next video.